Hello folks, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Docker on Windows operating system. But before we install Docker, we need to know that when we install Docker toolbox on Windows machine, then the installer automatically installs Oracle VirtualBox to run the Docker virtual machine, and we can then interact with this virtual machine using a client tool. That is, in case of Linux operating system, Docker is installed directly on operating system. But in case of Windows, Docker is installed on Linux virtual machine, and Docker client will then be used to interact with Docker. Okay, so the prerequisite for installing Docker on the Windows machine is that you should have a Windows 7 or higher with 64-bit operating system. So let's go ahead and install Docker on Windows laptop. So let me open Google and type install Docker here. Okay, so a web page will be opened. In fact, let's go to install Docker or install Docker for Windows. Okay, here. So this page will be opened. So now you will see that for Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise Edition, you can directly click on this link and it will start downloading Docker. But you should have Windows 10 64-bit Pro or Enterprise or Education, uh, basically flavor of Windows operating system. But if you don't have any of these, then you can just click on this Docker toolbox. Okay, and then scroll down. Okay, and then click on Docker, get Docker toolbox for Windows. So once you click it, you will see a Docker toolbox is start. I mean, the exe file gets started downloading. But since I already installed this on my system, so I'm not going to download it again. So I'm just canceling the download. Okay, so once you install the system, okay, then you will be able to see these two, okay, startup programs. So you just click on Docker Quick Start Terminal. Okay, and when you click on Docker Quick Start Terminal, so sometimes it asks, so Windows operating system asks for certain user access if this particular program can access your Windows machine. So if you say yes, then this particular Docker Quick Start Terminal will proceed further. Okay, so let's see, it is just working on it. So you can see the Docker container icon here, and you can see that the Docker has started. So let's see if what is the version of it. Okay, so looks like the version. Okay, let me type the command. So guys, the command actually is docker -- version. Okay, press enter and let's see what exactly types. Okay, so you can see the Docker version 18.03 and 18.03.0, and this is the build version. Okay, so this means that our Docker container is installed successfully on our system. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video. I will be covering next topics, the upcoming topics in the upcoming videos. So keep on watching. Thank you.